database test. Number one, a data analyst uses to decide which data is relevant to the analysis and which data types and variables are appropriate. Organization, because there is organizing data. I guess I'm not sure. Number two, a data analyst wants to organize a database to show only the 100 most recent real estate sales in Stamford, Connecticut. How can they do that? Should filter out sales? No, not filter out, but add a filter to return only sales. Yeah, Stamford, Connecticut. Then sort the most recent. Yeah. That's true. Number three, you're working with a database table that contains customer data. The country column designates the country where each customer is located. You want to find out which customers are located in Brazil. And the where clause will return only customers located in Brazil. Stay from where country Brazil. Yeah. How many customers are located in Brazil? See? One, two, three, four, five, right? What? So I passed, right? Thank you.